Hey everyone, welcome back to PPPDesigner. If you are a designer looking for unique and powerful icon resources, you are in a right place for a great treat. Today I have a lot to showcase from fantastic website for icons, each offering unique style and features to bring fresh presentation to your designs. Let's dive in and see what each site has to offer. Starting with Pictos, this site offers a well curated collection of icons perfect for digital interface, presentation and branding. Pictos focus on quality and offers high resolution icons in clean and clear way. Modern style that suits both personal and professional projects. The selection here is versatile, covering a range of categories from UI elements to detailed illustrations. If you are looking for icons that combine simplicity with functionality, Pictos is go-to resource for you. Next up is Picons, a favorite among designers for its organized and extensive icon set. Picons offers collection that range from minimal to complex, catering to variety design needs including UI design, app interface and marketing materials. The icons on Picons are known for their adaptability with style that can complement almost any design aesthetic. Whether you are going for a sleek modern look or something more illustrative, Picon has you covered everything. Flat Icons offers a variety of flat, easy to use icons that can perfect for a modern minimalistic aesthetic. Known from its large collection and user-friendly layout, Flat Icons is a great for anyone looking to add icons with a flat style to their projects. From e-commerce to educational content, the icons are versatile and functionally usable, allowing you to enhance your design without overwhelming it. These sites icons are simple yet effective, fitting well into your clean user-focused interface. Lastly, Genre Icons offers a collection of icons specialized designed for web and mobile interface. These icons are lightweight, which makes them great for responsive design and mobile projects where load time and efficiency are key. Generic icons covers essential UI elements and social media icons, providing an effective toolkit for designers who want relatable icons for quick intuitive design solution. This simplicity and adaptability makes them an excellent choice for both web and app interface as well. And that's a wrap on the top icon resources of design in 2024. I hope these sites inspire you and give you more options to create visually elegant projects. So don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more design tips, resources and trend insights. Let me know if you have any comments, which icon site you are excited to try first. See you in the next video.